Hello everyone, Blake here at Mercedes-Benz Kamloops, located at 695C Laval Crescent. Today we're taking a look at our 2016 Mercedes-Benz B250 equipped with a 4MATIC all-wheel drive, night black exterior paint. This is an accident-free vehicle, single owner, registered in BC since new. It was actually previously owned by our service department. We used to give it out to customers as a loaner vehicle when their vehicles were getting some maintenance work done. So we've owned it since new, we've maintained it since new. It is in great shape. We just had it detailed. It does have the premium package, blind spot monitoring, and it does have the 2-liter turbocharged engine. Now these B-classes are a 5-passenger vehicle, bit of a hatchback style design with the rear seats will fold down so you can have more storage. Perfect time of year to come and test drive these. Let's go take a peek inside. On the driver's side door panel, you have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, pretty standard with all the Mercedes-Benz. You do have a little bit of storage down below. You do have big Mercedes winter mats in here that do come up on the side, so it protects it from all different kinds of climate. You have the Artico leather interior, power glass sunroof. Let's jump inside. There's the kilometers on the vehicle. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you do have all your menu control options along with your paddle shifter right behind. On the right-hand side, you do have all your Bluetooth control, your volume control, and you do have the upshift for your paddle shifters. You also do have the navigation. Now, how it's flickering in the camera here, it is crystal clear on my end. It's just because I'm using my iPhone. You also do have the rear vision camera in this model with some guidance lines. Super easy to park now. Down below that, you do have all your shortcuts for your navigation, your telephone, vehicle settings. You still do have a CD player, heated front seats. Down below that is all your digital climate control, a little bit more storage down below. And right here, this is how you can control your navigation, all your media devices, through a click of a little joystick knob right there. Let's take a peek in the back seat. As I mentioned, this is a 5-passenger vehicle, so you have 3 in the back and 2 in the front. Now, if you're not using the middle row, there is a center console that does fold down, so your guests can have a little bit more comfortable ride. Just going to do a bit of a scan from the back seat. If you have any questions about this B-Class, my name's Blake. I work at Mercedes-Benz Kamloops. Have a great day.